Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to calculate the area of the colored part. Since it isn't a regular shape, we don't have a formula for it. So the easiest way is to calculate the area of two triangles and then subtract them from each other. Wherever you want to calculate the area of a triangle using the sides, use Heron's rule. We calculate P using the sum of all sides divided by 2. Here P is equal to 21. To get the area, we put radical 21, which is P, and we multiply by P minus each side. 21 minus 7, 21 minus 15, 21 minus 20. As a result, the area of triangle ABD is equal to 42. Similarly, we calculate the area of triangle BCD. P is equal to 16. The area is equal to radical 16 times 1 times 3 times 12 is equal to 24. The painted part is equal to 42 minus 24 and finally 18. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.